Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back. If you've just purchased the Linksys EA9200 AC3200 tri-band Wi-Fi router and aren't sure where to begin, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete setup process, from connecting the hardware to configuring your Wi-Fi settings, so you can get online quickly and easily. Let's dive in and get your network set up. Connect the antennas to the top of your router and power it on. Connect the internet cable from your modem to the yellow internet port on the back of your router. Wait until the Linksys logo on the front of your router is solid. Connect to the secure wireless name shown in the quick start guide that came with your router. You can change these details later. Select the option to automatically connect to this network in the future. You will not have internet access until you complete the router setup. Open a web browser to launch the Linksys Smart Wi-Fi router setup instructions. If you don't see the instructions, type linksys-smartwifi.com in the address bar. Open a web browser and go to www.linksys-smartwifi.com. Enter the email address and password you set up earlier and click Sign In. Network Map. This lets you display and manage all network devices connected to your router. You can view devices on your main network and your guest network, or display information about each device. Guest Access lets you configure and monitor a network that guests can use without accessing all of your network resources. Parental Controls lets you block websites and set internet access times. Media Prioritization. This lets you set which devices and applications have top priority for your network traffic. Speed Test lets you test your network's internet connection speed. External Storage lets you access an attached USB drive, not included, and set up file sharing, a media server, and FTP access. Connectivity lets you configure basic and advanced network settings. The setup is now complete. If you are unable to set up your Linksys EA9200 AC3200 tri-band Wi-Fi router or need our assistance, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.